Hello again. Since I am cleaning, I might as well show you guys all my blushes. This is my blush collection. Like I said, most of these are basically brand new. Yeah, these are all of my blush. Um, I got some in my makeup bag, but I'm just lazy. I don't wanna get all that stuff out right now. But this is my blush collection. This is all the blushes that I have. I might as well do it now since I'm cleaning my bedroom right now and can show you guys all the blushes that I have. I got the two Essence. I really like Essences. These are the Bliss. I got these over at Big Lots when they had these. These are beautiful. I just love these blushes. This one is my favorite one right here. And then right here is the NYC cream. And this one right here is from Miss A. And I got my Beauty and the Beast. This is the e.l.f. Aqualine blush. I got two of the e.l.f. liquid. I got these from the Dollar Tree. Then I got these from the Dollar Tree. These are all of my CoverGirl right here. CoverGirl. And then my NYC. I got some more CoverGirl right here. And I got some Maybelline. And I got some NYX blush right here. I got all of this stuff on Amazon, of course. I got the highlighter. I only got a couple highlighters. And I got this stuff at, no, Rite Aid. Yeah, I got this at Rite Aid. Of course, I got this stuff at the Dollar Tree. I got this over at Walgreens. These are the original Fergie blushes. These were not at the Dollar Tree. I got these at Walgreens. And I love these. And I also like the highlighter. And I'm not a highlighter person. And down here are all my blushes from the Dollar Tree. I really like these actually. These are all the blushes. And then Izea. I got two Izeas. I used to use those back in the day when I was in high school. That was like the in makeup to use. And then I got these blushes from the Decades, when they had the Decades out back in the summertime. They only had 3 blushes though, but I really like these. And of course I got these right here. And then I got 2 little Lone LA colors. Then I got 2 highlights right here, which I really like their highlighter, but I like this highlighter better though. And then I got another blush right here. I got the 3 blushes from Sinful Colors, which I really like these. So I think I bought 2 of these. You can tell that I've used the crap out of these. So yeah, I think I bought 2 of these for backup. And then of course my e.l.f. Everybody and their brother has the e.l.f. And I'm like, well, I might as well do this now because since I'm cleaning, I could do this. So, and of course I have some Color Workshop. I really like the Color Workshop, and I actually wore these during Christmas time. The 2 blushes, I wore those in December. And I really like these right here as well. They came in a pack, in a gift that I got. I got these at Walgreens, and I got these at Walgreens. And I got this in a gift as well. I think these came together. These, I can't remember, but Color Workshop is so like overrated. But this is all of my blushes. I'm like, well, I might as well do my blush collection now because I'm cleaning. So, and I like the Bliss, but like I said, these are awesome, and they stay on me like all day long. So I got these over at Big Lots. So I also have an e.l.f. blush, but it's broke. I am not really happy about that. So here's an overview of my blushes. This is all my blushes. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Remember, be original.